Excuse me, did you know that State Senator Rauschenberger spent thousands of dollars on vacations using our tax dollars?
No, I didn't know that.
Thousands of dollars?
I'm not even sure if that's a legal thing to do.
Yep, he vacationed on campaign funds and tax dollars in places like Hawaii, Cancun, and even Istanbul.
Well,
That's certainly not within my budget.
It just doesn't make sense.
Senator Rauschenberger also raised taxes and helped create the budget mess in Illinois.
I am not voting for Rauschenberger.
let's send him packing.